If you're looking for a working Hostinger coupon code, this quick Hostinger review will help you grab the best deal available right now. Hostinger is currently offering discounts across all of its plans, and when you use my link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll also get an extra 20% discount, plus 3 additional months added to your plan. In this Hostinger review, you get strong performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light-speed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, which makes creating a website very simple. And if prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and choose your country. The pricing will update instantly. Hostinger is often considered one of the best web hosting platforms, and you're also covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you want to use the latest Hostinger coupon code, get the extra 20% off and 3 additional months, tap the link below or scan the QR code.